Hello guys, we are in Just Tornadoes. I'm gonna go intercept this EF5. Let me get it. I'm gonna pick Dominator 3. Alright. Let's go. My friend is also in this game. Hello.
I'm about to intercept an EF5.
Yeah, I think yeah, he's right there, guys.
I think I'm too close.
Okay, I'm deploying.
Heavy probe. Oh,
No, I can't do a probe. It's too late.
yeah, you're right. I'm getting up here.
I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Okay, heavy probe. 189 miles per hour calculated core winds. Can you see my Oh, I'm not deployed. Not deployed. Here, let me go over here. Oh, I think it's going away.
Yeah, past us.
It's 100 and oh, it's coming back. I think.
Nah.
Let's go.
I need to get undeployed.
I'm gonna go in front of it.
Okay.
Guys,
That's not in front of it. It's going the other way.
I know I'm going to where it's heading. So no, that's a little too close. I'm a little.
This might be too close to it.
No, freak! Ow! I hit a house. No, freak! No, freak! I need to deploy.
I'm deploying. I'm right next to it too.
I'm deploying. Alright. Dude, I'm stuck. Oh, never mind.
Wait,
Where's it heading?
It's going east, I think.
Okay. I'm just going to where, oh my god, that's a little too close. Yeah, I might have.
Dang it, my thing died.
My friend's tablet died. Deploy, break! Deploy! I'm getting.
Deploy!
I'm trying! Okay. I'm gonna get a little more closer and deploy. Hopefully I don't die. Okay, please don't die. Do I deploy now? I think I'm... Nope, no, oh my god.
Dang it.
Anyway, bye guys.